Are you looking for a drone with a camera but don't know which one to choose? You're in the right place, and that's exactly what we'll help you with. Whether you want to capture stunning aerial shots, record smooth videos, or simply enjoy flying, a high-quality drone can take your experience to the next level. We've tested several models and selected the top 3 based on camera quality, flight stability, and battery life. You'll find the links to these products in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Here are the 3 best drones with cameras, from the most affordable to the most premium. Let's get started. First, the Hiturbo S20 is a beginner-friendly drone equipped with a 1080p camera that can be manually adjusted to capture stunning aerial views. Whether you're shooting selfies, inspecting rooftops, or filming action-packed moments, this drone offers impressive versatility. It includes 2 rechargeable batteries, each providing approximately 12 minutes of flight time, allowing for extended fun. Featuring voice control, gesture selfies, altitude hold, and one-key start, it simplifies flying for kids and beginners. You can pilot it via the remote control or the Hiturbo FPV app, which enables video recording and advanced features like trajectory flight. With functions like 3D flips, speed adjustment, and headless mode, this drone makes every flight an exciting adventure. Designed for ease of use, it requires no manual pairing, making it an ideal first drone for aspiring pilots. For stability, calibrate the gyroscope before each flight using a simple joystick command. Experience effortless flying and capture memorable moments with the Hiturbo S20. Next, the DJI Neo is an ultralight 135-gram drone that combines portability with cutting-edge features. Its 4K UHD stabilized camera ensures smooth, high-quality footage, whether you're hiking, kayaking, or exploring urban landscapes. Designed for effortless operation, it offers palm takeoff and landing, allowing you to launch it with just a button press. AI subject tracking and quick shots enable stunning vlog-style shots without professional expertise. The drone can be controlled via voice commands, a mobile app, or a remote controller, making it adaptable for any situation. Its built-in propeller guards provide added safety, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor use. Level 4 wind resistance ensures stable flights even in challenging conditions. The DJI Neo does not require FAA registration or remote ID, making it hassle-free for beginners and travelers. Note that the DJI Fly app must be downloaded directly from the official DJI website for activation. With its lightweight build, smart tracking, and premium video capabilities, the DJI Neo is an excellent choice for capturing adventures effortlessly. Finally, the Potensic Atom SE is a feature-packed GPS drone designed for beginners and enthusiasts. Weighing under 249 grams, it avoids FAA registration requirements while maintaining impressive performance. Its 4K ICE camera, equipped with a Sony sensor, delivers ultra-stable and clear footage, capturing 12MP photos and 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The Surge Fly flight system includes 3 modes: video, normal, and sport, allowing pilots to adapt their skills over time. Powered by 2 intelligent 2500 mAh batteries, the Atom SE provides an extended 62-minute flight duration. With a 4-km FPV transmission range and PixSync 2.0 technology, it ensures consistent, low-latency video streaming. The GPS auto-return function brings the drone back safely if the signal is lost or battery levels drop. Advanced flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight add creative flexibility. Compatible with iOS 11 and Android 7.0+, it connects via included adapter cables. With regular firmware updates enhancing its performance, the Atom SE is a reliable, high-tech drone for capturing breathtaking aerial footage. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.